Come test drive the 2024 Titan. The Titan houses the Endurance V8 engine, the largest standard truck engine in its class. But the benefits don't stop there. The massive interior cabin boasts a fold-up rear bench seat and a flat loading floor. When it comes to power and comfort, the Titan can't be beat. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, tow hitch, anti-lock braking system, LED headlights, navigation system, lane departure warning, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, stability control, keyless entry. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.